it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am finally filming another video. It's literally been such a long time, but I've been meaning to film a Crunchyroll haul for the longest time now. It was actually like such a... Oh, the convention was actually kind of a while ago, but I just never got around to doing it. And I decided to wear the cosplay outfit that I wore at the convention. So I actually made this headpiece. It was inspired by a girl on TikTok. I think her name is like Yui or Yuri. I'll leave her name on the screen for you guys. But it was really fun, and I thought that since I made it, I might as well wear it in this video for you guys as well. But I picked up so many cute things. I actually haven't like looked at anything that I brought for like a while now because I left it in a corner so I would remember to film a video. So I don't really remember what I got, but we're about to find out. I think I might just start with like a few objects and then go into art because I picked up a lot of art. But I got this freaking adorable plushie. So this is a spinel plushie. It's one of the guardian characters of Cardcaptor Sakura, and I was literally so shook. I went with my little brother, and this is like one of his favorite characters in Cardcaptor Sakura. And it's literally like pretty rare to find cute merch of Spinel because he's not like one of the main characters. So when we saw this, we literally died because he's so freaking cute, absolutely adorable. And I picked up myself a Kero version, and I actually already have a plushie that's like really similar to this, but we thought it'd be cute for us to like match because it's like the same style and design. And they have like their little wings and little tails. Actually so adorable. I love them so much. They're so cute and they're like such good quality. I did also pick up a mystery box. This is the bubble egg mystery box. I already opened it because I literally just had to find out, and it's been a while so I couldn't wait. But it's really cute. They're so adorable, and I got the egg one. How freaking cute. The name is in Japanese, so I don't know the actual name, but it's the egg one. I kind of am sad because I wanted like one of the colorful ones, and this one's just like yellow, but his face is so cute, so it's fine. I'm addicted to mystery boxes. I really need to stop. But guys, you have to help me come up with a name for this little cutie. But so freaking cute. He's a tamago, little tamago, this one. I also picked up some t-shirts. I grabbed this absolutely gorgeous t-shirt. I'm so obsessed with all the plate t-shirts that I bought, but I got this one. It's so cute. I just like love the colors on this one. It's a pastel pink t-shirt with like a cute little girl putting on like makeup, and there's like stars and moons. Like I just like love anything with stars and moons, and they're like pastel and cute, so I was like literally obsessed with this. It was so adorable. I was kind of sad because she had another t-shirt which was blue and it had like a different graphic on it, but I liked it a little bit more than I liked this one. But then they only had that one in a size small, and I tend to prefer wearing like my t-shirts large, and this one was a medium, and I think that this design looks really cute big, so I was like, damn it, I really wanted a medium size, so I ended up getting the pink one instead. But it's still really freaking cute. I'm obsessed. It was by an artist called Hiyoke. Her Instagram handle was at the bottom. I think it's Hiyoke Art. But it's so freaking cute. It's actually like so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. So that's like one of the t-shirts that I brought. I also got this one. Literally, we were like walking around at the end of the convention, and I saw this top, and it was like the last one hanging on the rack. And then we were talking to like the owners, and he said that it was like the last one left, and they sold out of pretty much everything on the first day, which is crazy. So I was like, it's a sign. I have to have it because it is so cute. I just like love the like thought that kind of went into this and the concept of it. And the colors, I just think that the cream, the purple and the pink just goes so well together. But it says let's meet in real life, and then something in Japanese, which unfortunately I cannot read. This is a brand called El Mural, let's meet in real life. Oh, I think that's what it's like. Oh, I think that's what it stands for, like let's meet MIRL in real life, let's meet in real life. That's so cute. So I think that's actually the name of the brand, but it's such a cute concept. And look at the back. Like, are you kidding? The back, I was dead when I saw it. It's just so gorgeous. It said enhance your daydreams. I love anything to do with like daydreaming, dreams, like stars, moons, stuff like that. Like literally really get me. But it says, are you sick and tired of worldly struggles? Legit, yes. Do you feel the need to slip away for an unspecific amount of time? Without help, you can be an elite daydreamer. That's so cute. Join us at El Mural. Your real life awaits. Let's meet in real life today. That is so cute. Are you serious right now? That is actually adorable. I'm so obsessed. It's so cute. This one's actually massive. So this one was a 2XXL, so XXL, but I just like couldn't pass it up. It was just like too adorable, so I just had to get it. It was a sign. It was the last one left. I also picked up some really cute haiku pins. So I have Kageyama, Hinata, and Kuro. Literally so adorable. I was actually kind of sad because I wanted the Kenma one. She gave me the wrong one. I actually didn't want the Hinata one, but then she gave me the wrong one and I didn't check. So oopsie daisies. Was kind of upset. But then my friend went the next day, so I asked him to grab it for me. So I have the Kenma pin as well. So freaking cute. So now I have 4, but they're all so adorable, so I'm really not that mad about it. Like, how freaking cute, are you kidding me? But isn't the Kenma one adorable? This one was literally my favorite, so I had to have it. Like, I was like low-key really upset when I like got home and it wasn't there. But Kageyama in his little cow suit, Hinata as a crow, and of course Kuro as a cat. So cute. Love, literally love. I also picked up some more haiku merch. So I picked up some haiku key rings, which was so cute. So I have this little one here of baby Kageyama. This one's my favorite. He's so cute with his little flower and he's just like adorable. I love them in their little school hats. And then there's Kenma eating some chocolate cookies. So cute. Sharing is caring. And then Hinata, I just think I like the colors of this one, but like literally they're so adorable. Oops. In their like preschool outfits and their little hats. So adorable. So I picked those up. I think that was all for the like item thing, so I think I'm gonna get into like art now. Maybe I'll stick to like haiku because I did buy a lot of haiku merch. But I bought this really cute picture. I'm gonna try and like remember. I'm gonna try and add the name of the artist, but I don't know if I remember all of them since it was like ages ago. But this one is by an artist called Naru. But this was just so cute. I freaking love my haiku boys. Absolutely adorable. So I picked that one up. I also picked up these. Oh my gosh, I love these. They're just so pretty. So I got 2 of them. I got Kageyama and Hinata, and then Kenma and Kuro, my literal favorite ships. But I just like love the art style. It looks really like clean and aesthetic and really like not too like anime merchy-esque. So I literally died when I saw them. It was so adorable. These were by an artist called Kev Snail Mail. So cute. And since I picked these 2, I got to pick up one more for free. So I grabbed this Inuyasha photo. I actually haven't seen Inuyasha before, like I haven't watched it, but I just thought that this art was absolutely gorgeous. So I picked this one up. So freaking pretty. And they're sleeping, so peaceful. I just really like landscapey stuff when the landscape is really nice and it's not like too focused on the characters. I just think it's like kind of aesthetic. I also saw this. I like, oh my god, when I saw this I kind of died because I barely ever come across Princess Tutu merch. So when I saw this, I literally had to have it because it's so rare. I never find anything, and I've seen this picture on Pinterest all the time and it's like one of my pins. So I was like, you know what, I gotta support the artist. So I picked this up, and I also got these 2 like Kirby photos from her. These are like postcards, so like it's so cute. Like obviously I'm not gonna like send it to anyone because I'm keeping this, but little Kirby photos. So one of him fishing and then one eating at a picnic. So adorable. Even her card is so cute. It's got Kirby art on it. So the artist is called Accumulations. That's so cute. Accumulations. But Princess Tutu, are you kidding me? Like literally never in my life have I come across Princess Tutu merch. Oh, I also got this picture. I also got this really cute Kirby artwork, and I've seen this picture on Pinterest too, so I was like, I have to have it. It's so freaking cute. Like, are you serious? The moon, the clouds, the pastels, the like color palette is just so freaking gorgeous, and I had to have it. But I also picked this up from her. I'm kind of sad because I actually I don't remember which card belongs to her, so I don't know like the name of the actual artist, but I picked up this piece from her too. So gorgeous. Like, are you kidding me? I love anything to do with the stars and the moon, and like white bunnies. I feel like white bunnies and like the star and the moon, just in my mind it just makes sense. So I like love it, and it's so cute, the colors. Ugh. But since I picked up 2 art pieces, she said I could get one more for free, so I picked up this. It's like a little darker than the color palette I normally like, but are you kidding me? How adorable. Look at the little bunny's face. It's so freaking cute, but it's so gorgeous. I just love like the sky and the stars and the moon. I can't get over it, but I love those. They're so cute. What else do I have? You guys aren't ready for this because when I saw it I literally died a little bit, but wait, there's one more. Yeah, 3 of them. I picked up these pieces. Are you kidding? It's so freaking cute. So the artist is called Miyoko. Her card at the back there. Miyoko _ Q9 or 98. If you want to follow her on Instagram. But I picked up these 2 pieces because I just thought they were like really cute and wholesome, and I saw this one and I just like wasn't sure if it was just like a little too much for my wall, but I just couldn't help it. Like, how gorgeous do they look? And that lighting, oh, they literally look like they're glowing. Like, are you kidding? I love them so much. I miss them. But look, they're eating bread, and then this one's them at the bakery, and then them eating. It's just so wholesome. I wish that like the anime would be more like, oh, cute dating life, but if you've seen it, you know that it's not. But I love my boys. I miss them so much. I miss them like every single day. But I'm so happy that I have Banana Fish merch, because literally I love Banana Fish, and I like, as much as I love the story, I don't really like, I love them so much that I'll like overlook the art style, but the art style really isn't like my forte. Like, it's not really what I like in anime. So the fact that I can actually own art that is Banana Fish related and looks so freaking cute, I'm really happy. I love them so much. Miss them. So beautiful. And I also picked up, oh my god, this is like one of my babes. I'm kind of upset because I picked up like the small version of it, but I honestly kind of regret it. I feel like I should have gotten the larger piece. I remember that this was the card because it was also card captor Sakura, and her name is Koichame. I feel like I'm butchering all these names, I'm sorry. But how gorgeous is this piece? This is actually like my desktop background. Like, not my desktop background, but like one of my like Google tab like background wallpapers is this actual image, and I think it's the prettiest thing ever. I love card captor Sakura so much, and this one's on pearl paper. It's just so beautiful. She looks so angelic and pretty. I love it so much. I'm like, yeah, I'm kind of upset that I didn't get the bigger version because it's such a beautiful piece. Oh my god. And I think that I only have 2 more pieces. I don't know the artist of these ones either, so I picked up this another card captor Sakura piece, and this one's with Sharon and Sakura, but the colors are just like so warm and like nice and soft. Like, don't you think it just feels like cozy? Like, the color palette is so cozy, but it's Sharon and Sakura, and I love them. They're literally my favorite couple in all of TV anime history, my OTP if you will. But they just look so cute and so sweet, and I love their outfits. Like, it's so nice. I actually dinted it, can you see? We went to go eat after the convention, and then it dropped on the floor and I didn't realize, and then we like dinted it. I was so upset because, oh, are you kidding? This art piece is so nice too. I'm just glad that you can't really see it much and it like isn't on her face or anything, but so cute. So we got that, and we also picked up, oh my gosh, are you actually kidding me? So this is a Spirited Away painting. It's not painting, a picture, and it's just so gorgeous. I love the colors, and it's literally like, this is like literally like a piece of art. Like, it's perfect. It's actually so beautiful. Why are people so talented? Like, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I love it. It's so gorgeous. It like kind of matches a little bit. I don't know. I feel like this is just like such a gorgeous piece. Oh, I love Spirited Away as well. Chihiro and Haku, so cute. But I think that that's actually everything that I picked up at the Crunchyroll 2022 convention. I had such an amazing time. I'm so glad that I got in, because like honestly there was like a moment, probably like a few hour moment, where we were waiting in line really debating whether or not we would make it in. But I was only going for one day, so I was like dedicated to getting in. So I'm actually so happy, and I'm so happy with all the pieces that I picked up, because I'm actually so in love with all of them. But I had such an amazing time. Oh, here's like a random picture of me and my little brother at the convention. We like took it as soon as we got in at some like random gaming booth. Loop 8. It's a game that's coming out, but they took a Polaroid of us, which is really cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!